If you're a realtor struggling to get views on your videos and you want to finally go viral so you can start generating real leads from those videos, then this one thing I'm going to teach you is going to change the game forever for you. Today's lesson is on the one simple word and hack I use on every video: hook. My name is Tyler Hassman and I'm a realtor with Real Broker and a full-time real estate content creator. And from doing short videos with my iPhone, I've now achieved hundreds of thousands of followers, hundreds of millions of views, and countless leads. And let me tell you right now, the hook is one of the biggest reasons why I've been able to achieve all of that. And here's the truth. You can spend hours filming the nicest property tour or explaining the best buyer tips, but if you don't have a hook that hooks people in the first 3 to 5 seconds, then nobody sticks around for your videos. Attention spans nowadays are brutal, and that's why hooks aren't just a trick, they're a lifeline for your videos. And now before we dive in, I actually put together a free PDF for you, the top 10 hooks every realtor can use right now, and you'll find it linked in the description. So you can literally copy, paste, and use them right now. So what actually is a hook? Simply put, it's the opening line, phrase, or moment that stops someone from scrolling and pay attention to your videos. Think of it as a headline on your video. In real estate, your hook might be a bold question, a surprising fact, or a statement that builds curiosity. If you get it right, your audience thinks, okay, I need to see where this is going. Now here's what most agents get wrong. They start with, "Hi, my name's John, I'm with XYZ Realty, and today I wanna show you this new listing."
Hey guys, my name's Kurtis Hawkins with Real Broker on the Real Estate One team located in Lethbridge, Alberta. And today I wanted to show you guys my brand new listing located at 1048 Colebrook Gate in Copperwood on the west side of Lethbridge.
Boring. That's just 10 seconds wasted. By then, your audience has already swiped away.
Now, obviously that took a lot of time and is the wrong way that you want to do your intros, because this townhome here is actually my house. So my office is down below and I live above. And when we were filming these originally, the really interesting thing about these is that there is a commercial space down below and you can also live upstairs. So a much better hook for a property like this would be, for $450,000, you could not only live at this house, but work as well.
Another common mistake is being too vague. Something like, "This home is really nice." That doesn't mean anything. Every agent says that. The biggest mistake though is making the video about you instead of about the viewer. People don't care about you or your brokerage intro. They care about what's in it for them and what's surprising, what's different, and what's valuable. Now here's my 3 favorite hooks and how you can perfect them. Hook number 1 is taking the price and a fun fact of a home. So here's an example. This home is listed at $599,000 and it comes with its own private movie theater. How catchy is that? And here's why it works. People love knowing the price right away. And when you pair it with a surprising feature, it instantly sparks curiosity. And here's how you can perfect it. Always lead with the price first, then immediately drop one unique or fun fact about the property. Whether that be it's got an updated kitchen, a large backyard, or it could be frankly anything. And here's an example of one of my videos where I did that. This Calgary home is $2 million, has over 5,000 square feet of living space, is only 7 minutes to downtown here in the community of Curry, and it's brand new. Let's go check it out. Here's hook number 2. It's the bold question. So here's an example of a bold question. Would you buy a house that actually pays you to live in it? So here's why that works. Questions pull people in and make them want to hear the answer. A bold question makes your viewers stop scrolling and lean in. And here's how you can perfect that. Keep it specific, intriguing, and always tie it back to real estate or lifestyle value. For example, when I said, imagine living in a house that'll pay you to live in it, I got that because there's a house that has a basement suite. And when you have a basement suite, you rent it out, you can make money that you can pay on your mortgage or pocket that money. Now, most agents might just say, here's my listing at 123 Smith Street and it comes with a basement suite. That's not intriguing, it doesn't build curiosity. So what I like to do to hook those people in is say, imagine a house that pays you to live in it. And here's an example of that in one of my videos. Is it really a luxury home if it doesn't have a private gate like this? Welcome to this $3.4 million estate acreage located just outside of Calgary. My 3rd favorite hook is the Mythbuster. Here's an example. Everyone thinks you need 20% down to buy a home, but that's not true. Listen up. And here's why that works. People love learning that they've been misled, especially when it actually helps them. Busting a myth flips expectations and makes your audience trust you as the expert. And here's how you can perfect that. Take a common belief in real estate and flip it on its head. Keep it simple, clear, and beneficial to the viewer. Here's an example of me doing that. Don't buy a new build home in Calgary until you see a tour of this one. Listed at $764,000 and built by Sterling Homes, this new build home is ready for you to move on in. If you get it right, you've bought yourself 30, 60, or even 90 seconds of someone's attention. And that's where you win real business. And remember, hooks make people stop. And hooks drive your watch time and engagement, ultimately leading to leads. And if you got value from this, make sure to subscribe, and we're gonna be dropping a lot more trainings just like this to help you master short form and long form content that brings in actual leads, not just likes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.